What's going on, guys? It's William, real estate investor and entrepreneur, and look what I just got in the mail. It is my monthly passive income check from one of my several streams of passive income. And I have not opened this up. So we are going to enjoy this unveiling together. Okay, so I have 3 property managers, and this specific property manager is located in North Texas and is responsible for several of my single family homes. And as you know, property management is very important and vital in my business. They are responsible for the following: taking care of rent, screening potential tenants, taking care of any issues, and mailing my passive income stream check. So the purpose of this video is to go over real life capital expenditures. And that means we're covering everything from basic property management fees to serious repairs possibly costing thousands and thousands of dollars. And you're about to get an unveiling of what you can potentially start seeing as a real estate investor investing in buy and hold property for passive income. Here we go. Okay, so we have a check, one of my 3 property management, for $8,900. And this is true mailbox money because this includes the property management fee already taken out. So let's do a breakdown and let's go over some of the properties to find out exactly where that money's coming from and where it went this month. So breaking down to it. So my first property rents for $1,100 a month. There was 0 repairs, and the property management fee was 10% at $110 per month. So $1,100 rent netted me $990. Not bad. Next property. This one rents for $1,250 per month. There was a 10% property management fee, as there are on most of my properties. That was $125, netting me a total of $1,125 with 0 repairs. So far, I like what I'm seeing. Like I said, I have not seen these. We are going over these together, and this is going to be exactly what you're going to be seeing in the future if you choose to get into this business. All right, next one. Oh boy. Oh man, I knew I couldn't get lucky that long. Oh boy, ouch. All I see is red here. Okay, all right, so this one's weird. All right, so I have an $1,150 rent. I have a management fee of $115, so that's 10%. I have a AC service call of $500. Holy cow. And it looks like that, these are new tenants. They just moved in. They paid their first month's and last month's, so I get an additional $1,150 this month, which they also pull out the 10% management fee. So I did have that $500 service call for the AC. However, with the last month paid on this month, $1,150 rent turned out to be $1,570 net. So being that I had the last month's on this particular invoice kind of saved my butt, at least now. Obviously in the future I'm not going to get that rent, but it carries me over on this month because a $500 service call on AC is a rather expensive fix in my opinion. Okay, so a good property manager, as I did in one of my other videos, is going to have, I've got a diagnostic fee here. I've got a Marathon direct drive blower motor, which is $530. Oh yes, I forgot about this. So you might be asking yourself, well, wait a second, it was only a $500 fix. So property managers are in charge of repairs, correct? So in this case, they're only allowed to replace an item that's under $250. This is my preference to them, under $250 without calling me. In this case, they sent the AC repair guy out there. He did not tell my property manager about the fee over $250. Instead, he just went ahead and fixed it on his own. He does know better because I've been using him now for a few years. So my bill was $612.11. But because he did not ask me, I told him, if you'll do $500 on this repair, even, I'll keep using you in the future. If not, I'm gonna go a different route with somebody else, because He should have known better. Anything over $250, they should get authorization. That's what I do. Some investors do 500. Nevertheless, it was 612.11. It's 500 now because he wants to work with me in the future and he won't do that again. So anytime somebody does something that is against your regulations or your rules as an investor, you don't have to use them again. Or you can give them an ultimatum, and in this case, he dropped it $112.11 because he knew better. Okay, moving on. Okay, so next one is a rent of $900, a property management fee of $90, which nets me a total of $810 with 0 repairs. All right, next property, we are almost done, is a $950 property with a $95 property management fee, 10%, 0 repairs as well. Excellent. And $855 is a net. Ooh. I don't get lucky on every one of these. Okay, so the next one is $1,050 is the rent. Management fee is $105, that's 10%. I have overpayment of May rent, so it looks like they accidentally overpaid me last month, and that was by $50, so they took that out this month. April 2021 rent, so they got my additional rent for the end of the year, and that is also coming with a property management fee of $105. So I did see 3 reds here. Luckily, actually none of them were repairs. They were just some adjustments in price with property management fee, so I can deal with that. So out of a $1,050 rent with 2 property management fees in there and a slight overpayment, netted me $1,840 this month. Okay, and the last one is a $900 rent with an $81 property management fee. Did you notice that I got 9% on this one? So this one I actually had with a different property manager, and that property manager made me upset. And I gave her another shot, and I just wasn't happy with her. So I went to the tenant and I talked to the tenant and I asked her, what is going on with you and the property management? Are they doing their job? What's going on? She says, I've been asking the property management to come fix my tub now for months and months and months, and they keep putting it off. And I said, whoa, wait a second. I didn't even know about this issue. They should have called me months ago, because what would have been a reasonably expensive repair turned out to be a very expensive repair because now we had excessive water damage. So $900 a month, $81 property management fee because I fired that property manager, went with somebody else, and negotiated 9% instead of 10% because I was moving from one to another. And that brings me to a net of $819. Interesting month, nevertheless. This is a very impromptu video. I have no notes on this. I literally opened it, and you're looking at exactly what you will be doing in the future if you choose to be a real estate investor investing in buy and hold properties, such as rental properties like these. Hope you enjoyed the video, and that's all I've got, guys. See you on the next one.